Kamvas Pro 24 Generation 3 tablet. Here is the tablet itself, guys. It is slim bezels, solid, matte finish. It looks like premium when you put it in your hands. They come with two pens. One is slightly thicker, a standout one with a razor on the top, and they are all battery free, no need to charge at all. The other one is slimmer, so it gives a pencil-like feel out there. Also, guys, you know what? They have latest PenTech 4.0 pens with 16K pressure, tilts mode, and super low activation mode as well. And it does come with a G1 color reader, which you often don't see included in it. What it does, guys, it helps you to maintain the accuracy of your colors over time, so your colors stay consistent on your pens. Also, guys, it comes with a key dial remote K40. It is a wireless controller in which you can customize the buttons and put them on rotating, change the brush, or maybe zoom in and zoom out. It feels very natural once you start using it. Alright guys, let's turn it on. There it is. It has a 4K Ultra HD resolution, text, line work, everything super smooth and super crisp.
Kamvas Pro 24 Gen 3 comes with the Kamvas Gloss 3.0. Kamvas Gloss 3.0 not only reduces glare in the bright light, also minimizes graininess, enhancing display clarity by 14%.
The color is stunning and accurate. It comes with 5 color modes, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it has a delta E less than 1. With 16K pen pressure, 2 gram IF, and auto tilt alignment, you can draw precise, responsive lines even in the edge of the display. Alright, it comes with a different interactions. You can zoom in, zoom out, rotate just with your fingers, and also you can use the key dial remote as well. So yeah guys, this is the Kamvas Pro 24 Generation 3. If you are looking to explore your art, this thing is definitely for you.